So hello students, today we are doing this question on interest on drawing interest on drawing. Okay, so basically I taught you there are three methods in which there was simple, okay, there was product, and there was modern. Okay, modern where you have to find the value of t, and modern you'll use when the amount is equal, amount of drawing is equal, and the time period is equal. Whereas for the product you will use this method when the amount is not equal and also the time period is not equal. And for simple, when there are very few drawings in a year, then you will use simple method. Okay, like you can see in this case the amount is not equal. Sometimes it is 4,000, 10,000, 4,000, 12,000, 4,000. So the amount is not equal. Also, if you see, it is withdrawn on 1st February, then May, then June, October, December. The time period between the two drawings is also not equal. So in this case we will be using product method. Okay, and if there was only just two drawings and not the rest, then we could have easily used simple method. Okay, because since the number of drawings are more and it is not equal, the amount is not equal and the time period is not equal, we will be using product method. And if you see, it is 5,000 per month, so therefore the amount is equal at every month, and per month means the time period is also equal. The amount is constant and the time period is constant. So in this case we will be using modern method. Okay, having said that, let us solve the question first. So let us start with the first question. If he withdraws 5,000 per month at the beginning of every month. Okay, for this reason I have made one month chart from April to March here, so that it becomes easy for us to understand. Okay, also in these questions we will be using modern method. So interest, let me write the formula first. Interest on drawing under modern method is total drawing, let me make it short. Okay, interest on drawing is equal to total drawing into rate into t by 12. So this t, the formula of finding t is time left after first drawing plus time left after last drawing divided by 2. So this is the formula of t. We put the whatever t we'll get, we'll put it over here, and then we put the rate and total drawing, we'll get the interest. Okay, so in this case let us start with case 1 where he withdrew 5,000 per month. So therefore the total drawing is equal to total drawings will be equal to 5,000 into 12, that is 60,000. Okay, and the interest, the rate is given in the question. It's 10% per annum, so rate is 10%. So the rate is 10% per annum. Okay, now we have to find t. Okay, for finding t we need to understand that it is withdrawn per month, every month, and in the beginning. So the date of first drawing, time left after first drawing, right? So the date of first drawing will be 1st April, since it is beginning of every month, and the time left will be how many? 12 months. 12 months. Okay, now when will be the last drawing? The last drawing will also be in the beginning of month, so it will be March. So how much time is left? 1. So time left after last drawing is 1 divided by 2, that comes 13 by 2, and that is 6.5. Therefore now we will find the interest. Total drawing is 60 into rate is 10% into 6.5, that is t by 12. So after calculation of all this, we get the interest on drawing as 3250. Okay, I hope you have understood this first one. Okay, let us check out the second question where he withdraws 5,000 per month at the end of every month. So here the drawing remains same. Okay, 60,000, the rate remains same. What we need to find is again t. So here in this case we will find t. Okay, so t is time left after first drawing. So since he is withdrawing at the end of every month, so time left after first drawing, so first drawing will be on 30th April. So how much time is left after 30th April? It is 11 months. Okay, so 11 months. And what is the time left after last drawing? And what is the last drawing? The last drawing date is 31st March. So time left will be 0 divided by 2, it will be 5.5. So we'll put 5.5 instead of t. Rate as usual is 10%. Okay, so how much we will get in this case? In this case we will get 2750. Okay, we calculate it, you will get 2750. Now let us go to case 3 now, where he withdraws 5,000 per month. So again the amount remains same and the rate also remains the same. Okay, and since he's withdrawing in the middle of each month, so therefore we have to find t now. Okay, so here the t will be equal to, first of all, the time left after first drawing. So first drawing will be middle of each month, so first drawing will be April 15. Okay, that means total 11.5 month is left till 31st March. So time left after first drawing is 11.5, and the last drawing will be somewhere between March, 15th March. Okay, will be someone in March, somewhere in March. So 15th March will be 0.5 months divided by 2, it is equal to 6. So we'll put 6 here, and the answer will be 3000. The answer will be 3000. Okay, so these are the solution of first 3 cases. Now let us see the case when he withdraw quarterly. That means we need to first divide the whole year into quarters. Okay, we need to divide the whole year into quarter. So first quarter will end on June, second quarter will end on September, third quarter will end on December, and the last quarter will be ending on March. So there are 4 quarters. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters. Okay, these are the 4 quarters. So let us start solving the question. So here they have said that he has withdrawn 5,000 at the beginning of each quarter. So therefore since he is withdrawing 5,000 at each quarter, that means he is withdrawing 5,000 into 4, because in a year there are 4 quarters. So the total drawing will now become 20,000. Okay, 5,000 into 4, the total drawing will now become 20,000. Okay, the rate is same, 10%. Okay, and now we need to find the t. Okay, t, just a little bit of understanding here. Since they are withdrawing quarterly, so here they are withdrawing 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 and 4 quarter. So therefore you need to understand that it is very important to understand the time. Okay, so the first drawing will be on the first beginning of each quarter. So this is the first quarter and the beginning is 1st April. So the time left basically will be 12 months. Okay, plus, and in the last quarter, this is the last quarter. Okay, last quarter again the withdrawing will be beginning, so on January. So drawing will be on January, because this is the last quarter and the beginning of the quarter is January. So 1st January. So therefore the time left will be 3 months. So 3 by 2, it will be 7.5. That is 15 by 2, that will be 7.5. So total drawing is 20,000 that we got here. The rate of interest is 10%, that is given in the question, and t is 7.5 divided by 12. Okay, so the answer will be somewhere around 1250. This will be the answer, interest on drawing, in this question. Okay, let us go to the next question again. If he withdraws 5,000 at the end of each quarter, so the amount remains same. The amount remains same, 20,000. The rate also remains same, 10%. But we need to find t. Why? Because this time he is withdrawing at the end of each quarter. At the end of each quarter. Previously he was withdrawing beginning. Now he is withdrawing at the end of each quarter. Okay. So let us understand the date of first drawing. Okay. First drawing, since this is the first quarter and he is withdrawing at the end of each quarter, that means on June 30th he is withdrawing the amount. So therefore the time left after this will be 9 months. Okay, 9 months, and the last drawing will be at the end of each quarter. So the last quarter is January to March, and he is withdrawing on 31st March, because he is withdrawing at the end of each quarter. So 31st March is 0. After that there is no day, so it's 2 divided by 4.5. So the t here becomes 4.5, and the interest on drawing in this case, will be, however, 750. If you multiply and calculate this whole thing. Okay, if you multiply and calculate this whole thing, the interest on drawing will be 750. Okay, very good. Now let's understand the last if he is withdrawing 5,000 in the middle of each quarter. So since He's withdrawing quarterly, so the amount will remain 20,000. The rate is 10%. So therefore we need to calculate T here. Okay, so in order to calculate T, we need to understand the time date of first drawing. The date of first drawing is middle of each quarter, that means somewhere in 15th May. So here 1.5 and 9 total, how many months is left? 10.5 months. Okay, after if you calculate from May 15 to 31st December 31st December of the next year, 31st March of the next year, it will be 10.5. So 10.5 plus the last drawing will be on the last quarter. Okay, and the drawing will be in the middle, so 15th February. So how much time is left? The whole March and 15th February. That means we can say 1.5 months. So total will be 10.5 plus 1.5 will be 12, divided by 2 will be 6. So the T will become 6 in this case, and the amount of drawing will be 1000. Okay, I hope you have understood this method of calculation of interest on drawing. Okay, after this we'll be calculating interest on drawing on the product method on this question. Okay, and the example of Harish. Okay, so students, in this video we will study the calculation of interest on drawing by using product method. Okay, why product method? Because the amount is not same and also the date or time interval is not same, therefore we will be using product method. Under product method, I have taught you that a column or a schedule will be prepared where the first column will be for date, the second column will be for amount, the first column will be for date, okay, the second column will be for amount, third column will be for time period, and the last column will be for product. Okay, now having said that, the formula remains, the interest on drawing, the formula remains total product. Okay, not total drawing, it is the total product. The rate which is given in the question, that is 7.5%, and the time is 1/12. Okay, I hope you understand the interest on drawing formula. It's total product, rate into 1/12. So 1/12 is fixed, rate is given, so we need to find total product. In order to find total product, we need to make this format, or we need to make this schedule. And under this schedule we will find the total product. Once we find the total product, we will place the value of total product here, and we will find the interest on drawing at the end. Okay, so let us start finding the total product. Okay, so the date is 1st February. On 1st February, the amount of drawing was 4000, and the time period is from 1st February till when the year is ending. The year is ending on 31st December. So from 1st February till 31st December, the time period will be, however, 11 month. Okay, then the second drawing is on 1st May, and the amount of drawing is 10,000. Okay, and from 1st May till 31st March, the time period will be, however, 8 months. Okay, the next drawing is on 30th June, and the amount of drawing is 4000. However, the time period from 30th June till 31st March will be 6 months. Okay, then the next drawing is on 31st October. Okay, and the amount of drawing is 12,000. Okay, and from 31st October till 31st December, the amount or the time period will be, however, 2 months. Okay, the last drawing is on 31st December. Okay, 31st December, the amount of drawing is 4000, and the time period between 31st December to 31st December is obviously 0. Now what we need to do is we need to find the product. The formula of finding product is very simple. It is amount in the second column into the time period into the, that is in the third column. Okay, so the amount is 4000, the time period is 11, that is how much? 44,000. Okay, the amount is 10,000 and the time period is 8, that is 80,000. Okay, and the amount is 4000 and the time period is 6, that is 24,000. Okay, the amount is 12 and the time period is 2, that is 24,000. If you multiply, and in the last you get 0. Now what we have to do is we need to add all this product. So when we add all this product, the total of the product is 1,72,000. Now what is this? This is the amount known as the total product. Okay, this is the amount known as the total product. Now what we need to do is we need to put the total product here, and then we need to find the interest on drawing. So the total product, however, is 1 lakh. The total product is, however, 1,72,000. The rate given here is 7.5%, 7.5 divided by 100, and the time is fixed, which is 1 by 12. So the interest on drawing, on calculation of all this, on the calculation of everything, we get the interest on drawing as 1075. 1075, and this is the total interest to be charged under partnership. Okay, however, if you like this video, give a like, and if you want to share with your friends, you can share this video with your friends. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.